Is one of your iPad apps not responding the way it should be? Is your email app not syncing with the server and downloading your email? Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Occasionally, I get calls from customers needing help figuring out why their iPad app isn't responding or their email won't download on their iPad. Most of the time, they don't realize that iPad apps never really close when you stop using them. They just get minimized into the background. Over time, cache builds up or server connections get interrupted. This can cause an app to act like it's not working. Here's what you can do to get things back to normal. I'll put a link in the description to this page from Apple about how to quit and reopen an app on an iPad. As you can see here, you have this drop down for selecting different versions. It will default to the latest version, but if you're still using an older version, you can go through and check that. As you can see, basically, if an app isn't responding, you can quit and then reopen the app to try to resolve the issue. A lot of customers I work with don't realize that this option is available. Typically, there's no reason to do this since it won't save battery power. But it can help you in a situation where an app is not working properly. To quit the app, you'll open the app switcher. As you can see here, you would swipe up from the bottom edge and pause in the center of the screen. If your iPad does still have the home button, you'll just double click on it. From there, you should see all your apps that are open on your iPad. You can swipe either direction to see other apps. From there, you can swipe up on the app to get it to close. Once you've closed the app, then you can go to the home screen and reopen the app. Things should start working fine again. If quitting and reopening the app doesn't solve your problem, try restarting the iPad. There are different methods for doing this, but this link here will show you how to shut your iPad off or restart it. Apple's website contains plenty of information to help you work with problems on your iPad. Let me know in the comments what problems you have while using your iPad. If you like this video, click this other one for more tips on how to get the most from your devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.